Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I'm super excited because I am about to try a new product from a brand that I actually really like right now. Yesterday I went to Ulta Beauty to buy more of my favorite leave-in conditioner from Curlsmith, and I found this box. This is the high definition curls three-step system. This is what the box looks like, and it comes with their conditioning wash, their moisture memory reactivator, and their what you call it, souffle thingy, curl defining styling souffle. This souffle, I was looking at it online on Instagram, and I was wondering if this would work for my hair, and I'm very happy that I got this box because for $60 more or less, I think it was $60, I'm able to get all free product. If I was to buy them individually, it would have cost me so much more money. So yay, Ulta Beauty. I wanted to talk real quick about the list of ingredients. I really love Curlsmith because of how picky they are about the products that they put, the ingredients that they put in their products. I've been trying to pay a lot more attention to the ingredients that are in my hair product. Why? Because, well, as far as my skin goes, I make my own skin lotion, I make my own oil, so I know exactly the ingredients that are going on my skin. But as far as the hair, I only make like a couple ingredients and I don't even use them every day. So, you know, you use a shampoo, a conditioner, a mask, a leave-in, a gel. That's a lot of product that you put in your hair, that you put close to your scalp, that actually rinses off on your skin. I mean, all this gets into your bloodstream. And I've been starting to pay a lot more attention to all the chemicals that they put in there. And there's a bunch of brands that I don't want to use anymore because of all the harsh chemicals that are going to interrupt your endocrine system, which is your hormone system. That's gonna give you allergies, that is going to develop cancer faster in your body. All those chemicals can and will do that in the long run. So I think it's really important we start to pay more attention to that. As far as Curlsmith is concerned, these two, the leave-in and the gel, I'm going to call this leave-in and this a gel. These two, the list of ingredients is pretty awesome. I mean, the first one is water, then you have glycerin or alcohol, and then boom, we're going straight into the natural stuff. The shampoo now. The shampoo is a little bit more complex. I'm not going to go into the details, but the first 6 products, except for the water and the alcohol, the 4 products after that, I could not pronounce them. Like, I was like, oh crap, you know, it's a lot of chemical stuff. And then I have the natural, and then I started to research them one by one. I'm not going to go into the detail, but I realized that they are derived of natural products. For example, one is like a synthetic version of something that you will find in an animal, right? So this brand is cruelty free, so they're not going to get it from the animal, so they make a synthetic version of it. There was only one product, is like the, I think it was the 6th product that I'm never going to pronounce, but I'll probably put the name somewhere over there, which was irritant. Like it would irritate your eyes, a very light carcinogenic, I think that's how you say it in English. It's only one product in the whole list. I'm not too mad at that. So yeah, this was just a couple minutes I wanted to talk about the list of ingredients. I am very happy with their ingredients, with the fact that they are cruelty free, that they are vegan, and that they have what you call it, ethical sourcing, which it means that they make sure that the people who are sourcing their natural product are being treated properly. All right, with no further ado, I am going to my bathroom. I am going to wash my hair with their Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. Last night I put a little bit of oil in my hair. I hope this is gonna do a good job at cleansing all that. Also, I work out, so I was a little sweaty this morning. I mean, it's still the morning, a couple hours ago. So I hope this is gonna do a good job at cleaning my scalp, at getting rid of the excess product built up and the oils. I will let you know. And then once I'm done with washing my hair, I will style my hair with these two products. I'm probably going to do the usual, fast forward through the whole process, stop at a certain moment to tell you what I think, and then we'll discover together the final result, and we'll see how it goes. All right, you guys, I'll see you guys in a second. Alright you guys, I am all set. I am ready to style my hair. Right now it is wet. I just washed it with their conditioning wash. This is a very interesting wash. It has a little bit of a lather to it, a lot of moisture, but it rinses off very well. It doesn't leave your hair heavy or greasy. It's a great balance between cleansing and then replenishing with hydration. I did not use anything else under the shower, so no conditioners, no shampoo before, no mask, nothing. I just wash my hair with this, and then now this is what I'm dealing with. My hair is still wet, so I'm not gonna wait any longer. I'm gonna start styling. I'm gonna divide my hair in three, my bangs and then two sides. I'm gonna apply the Moisture Memory Reactivator. Again, I've been using this product for about a month and a half. I'm gonna link right here a little clip on how I style my hair with this product. And then once I have this distribute all over my hair, I am going to put the Curl Defining Styling Souffle, which I assume will be like a gel, but we'll see. And I'm mostly going to put it on the second half of my hair. On the box it says that you should rub the product between your hands before use, scrunch into wet or damp curls, keep scrunching as your hair dry or diffuse to keep the curls soft. This is exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fast forward through the entire process, and I will talk to you guys once I'm done putting all the products in my hair. See you in a second. Alright guys, I'm done applying the leave-in conditioner. You know, it's like a milk. It's kind of like a milk consistency. It is, I put like about 5 pumps for one side, and then 5 pumps for the other side, and maybe like 3 pumps for my bangs. What I like about this product is that it's not heavy, it's very lightweight, but it still does a good job at hydrating, and then throughout the day it gets lighter and lighter, and my hair gets to fluff a little bit more, and gets that natural volume, and I really like that. Now I am going to apply the Curl Defining Souffle, Styling Souffle. Okay, so this guy is my first time using it. It looks like a gel, like it really does look like a gel. Like if you see, it's like jelly. So I am going to apply a little bit. See, I can't even grab it. It's really like a gel. Oh god. All right, here we go. So this is a lot. I think this is a lot already. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is a lot, I think. I think I'm gonna apply that on my entire hair. So this hand for this side and the other end for the other side. And we'll see. I'm crossing my fingers that this is not too much and that it's not gonna wet my hair down. Ooh, I'm nervous. Alright, you guys, I am done styling my hair. So far, what I can say about the souffle is that it is definitely more of a gel. I don't know how hydrating of a gel it is. I try to not put a lot. It is my first time using it, so I really don't know what to expect. But I try to be to use a very small amount. You saw the first amount that I put on my hair. It was a little bit. I put it all over, and then as I styled my hair, when I was ready to scrunch my hair up, I put again a tad bit of the gel to help with the curl formation. Now, the way I like to style my hair, for those of you who don't follow me yet, and if you're not following me yet, please subscribe to my channel. So the way I like to style my hair is that I like to hand curl the bottom part here, which is the part that has a hard time forming its curl. It's more of a wavy hair type. And then I like to hand curl the top hair to minimize the frizz, and also because it's the part that I see the most when I look at myself in the mirror, and I like to have like nice and defined coily curls. And in the midsection, I just scrunch it and let my hair do what it wants. All right, so right now I have two options. I can either diffuse my hair or let it air dry. It is really nice outside. The sun is shining, so I think I'm just gonna go outside for about an hour and let my hair air dry. What that means is that I am going to lose in volume because the diffuser gives me that instant volume. So we're not gonna have so much volume in my hair style today, but I'm gonna gain in definition, and I'm probably gonna have a less frizz, and then we'll be able to actually really see what the product does to my hair without having half of it evaporate with the heat of the diffuser. So I'm gonna go downstairs in my little garden for about an hour. I'm gonna let the sun do its magic, and I will see you guys as soon as it's dry. See you guys in a second. All right, my loves, I am all done. I've been air drying my hair for about 50 minutes. And then I just went back indoors, and because I was air drying outside under the sun, it was so nice. And then I fluffed my hair and separated my hair. I think it's been about an hour and 45 minutes since you last saw me with my wet hair. And I just wanted to wait a little bit more after it was air dry to see how the product react with my hair. So now, from using this Moisture Memory Reactivator for a while now, I can tell you, and I've already told you in this video, that it tends to evaporate throughout the day. So I knew that this was going to give me hydration, but the hydration was kind of gonna go towards the end of the day, and this is exactly what starts to happen. Personally, I don't mind it because it gives me the natural fluff and volume to my hair that I really like. And then again, the souffle is doing a good job at keeping that moisture in. This is where I put most of the souffle, and like you can see, my hair is defined, has hold. I like it, but I didn't really put much of the souffle up there, and you can tell that, you know, my hair is already starting to lose its definition. So I think the next time I will be a little bit more comfortable putting the souffle a little bit higher up. Something I forgot to mention about the shampoo is that it did a great job at not just cleansing my hair, but also detangling my hair. And so much so that I didn't feel the need to use anything else in my hair. So I didn't use a shampoo, I didn't use a conditioner, I didn't use a deep conditioner, I did not use a mask. After using just this one product, I felt like my hair had everything it needed. So I just rinsed it out and got out the shower. I don't know about you, but if I can find one product that's gonna do the job of 3 or 4 products, yeah, I'm gonna buy this again. Again, it's my first time using it. I have to use it more often to see how my hair is gonna react to it. But my first impression is, oh my gosh, yes, awesome. So voila, this is pretty much my review on those 3 products from Curlsmith. I think you guys should try it. If you have fine wavy to curly hair, get this box. Really do get this box. I'm not sponsored. I spend my own real money on these products, and I think it's worth it. Not just that, you're using a line of product that's a little bit more natural, a lot more natural than what we find in drugstores, and it shows in your hair. Personally, right now, I just want to go for a more natural, wavy to curly hair look. And if that means I'm going to lose definition in my curls, if that means that I am going to have a little bit more frizz, I'm fine. I'm happy with that. I just want my hair to be healthier, and I want to have product in my hair that's not gonna hurt my body. So voila, that's that. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. I am loving it personally, but again, first time using 2 products out of 3, so I have to use it more before I give you a definite yes. But right now it's a yes. Let me show you the back real quick so you can see up. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go. I have to go pick up Ella. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.